Good morning, YouTube. You're back for another day of journal review. So yesterday, I forgot to put the video out, but I had one trade because, I got my first job yesterday. I went to go train. It's at a little bagel shop. It's fun, but, now I can't wait to say, oh yeah, I made it in trading. I quit my job. That would be fire. That would be it. That'll be the moment. So let's just review our only trade yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, we kind of fucked up a little. It was a good trade, but it was right here, this one. So we did miss the first leg, had a low. So this was a Fab 4, and then you had a little spike up. Wonder if this was a, no. So you had green bars spiking up, trying to break the 200. Pretty strong, got no follow through, but this bar was a violent rejection. Right into support, you got the 20 right here, a quick bounce. I think an entry there would have been fire. Got instant follow through right here. You got a hidden color change in here. You're taking profits is out here. Got the whole number, or it kind of missed it, but pulls back to the declining 20, below 50%. At the previous day close. Let me just mark this out, new low. So I went 6 lots right here with an event stop here. Man. So this one I did tighten up. I didn't quite wait for the new low, but I feel like I had good reason because where's October 2nd? Price was right around here, and I wasn't sure if it was gonna break or not. Around this 200 right here. So I just took a precaution and tightened up my stop a little. So I don't know, it was something like that, 6 with a stop there. So when it put in this big bar, I was like, no way this thing gets wiped out. I'm trailing big bar, which is basically break even. And it's fine on this because this is the second leg of the move, big bar. After that, I trail over here, big bar over here, big bar, and then I'm essentially out on the break right here above these tails. So I'm out here. So, man, when this bar came through, in my head I was already like, that's exhausting. It's giving me the new low. And then this one went further, which is exactly what I wanted to do. Right, so anything after here, I should have taken profit. And my average price here was, what is it, 86, it was 86.39, I believe. So my 50 cents down would have been 85.89, right? What did this get to? Look at the low, bob a low, 85.89 on the dot. Now I freaking moved my stop to, or my take profit order to 85.88, and I have this tendency to not be flexible with that, Normally I should just take it out manually, but I had it chilling there, and it never hit. So I had a 4 or 5 lot profit take ready to take out at 85.88, but it just missed it by 1 cent. And because it missed it by 1 cent, I let it go all the way up, and that's where I fucked up, because I let them out at 86.2. And to be honest, I should have just locked in the whole number, or bar by bar above this bar, so I could lock in 20 more cents on each lot. 20 more cents on each lot, bro. That's locking in 120 more bucks. That's a lot. That's a lot. And I mean, that's what I should have done, because that's what locking in the old low is, right? You gotta lock in the old low just in case I don't get the push down. So yeah, that's where I fucked up. I mean, I got nice follow through, but I just didn't take profit. So this is another trade management issue, because the entry was perfect. You gotta pull back red bar reversal. And then position declining 20. You also got below 50% of the prior leg. And then risk is, let me see. Risk is always good, chilling. And I believe this trade was plus 116. Yeah. Yeah, this trade, I think at the bottom, 50 cents on 6 lots. I should have locked in at least. Man, I was freaking telling myself too. I kept telling myself, take profit, take profit, take profit. When it came time, I couldn't. I didn't do it. What the fuck, you know? And I found out a big issue was giving up that much, because what did I give up? Essentially, I gave up, I mean, shit, just might as well count it from the bottom, here to here. This is what I gave up, times 5 of those. That's a lot of fucking money, bro. Like, jeez. That's like 30 cents that I gave up. 180 bucks. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Alright, let's see. What the heck? Hold up. Let's say here, because that's the reason why I tightened my stop up. Yeah, there's no way this can go in good, even though it made money. There's no way I could call that good and be okay with it. We gotta put it in bad for what it is and fix it. Okay, let's see. Great entry, good position. This problem's trade. Oh, this trade's problem is again in the trade management, specifically take profits. So price gave me big bars to trail on the second leg, which is what I did. And normally I don't break even until the new low, but I had good reason here because price was trading into the 5-minute 200 support. Mistake here was not taking profit on the new low at 50 cents. I had a hard TP at 85, 88. It never hit. It was off by 1 cent. But I should have just yanked them out manually with the hotkeys. Instead, I let it retrace all the way back and essentially stopped out on big bar trail. The issue, man. So yeah. It was off by 1 cent, yeah. I had 50 cents and the new low. And at worst, if I was waiting for a push past the new low, I should have been prepared if it did the opposite. And by that, I mean could have locked in the new low or the old low around the whole number 85, which would have been 20 more cents on 6 lots. An additional 120 bucks. Yeah, that was the only trade yesterday, and it was a good trade up until the end, man. You know, this one's pretty igniting. This one isn't really anymore. Close below the low, old low, push lower. Yeah, should have definitely taken some profits. Definitely got 50 cents, like pretty much right on the dot. And then yeah, let it run back too far. If I was waiting for another push, I should have at least locked in the old low here. You know, reposition myself, and maybe at the max just leave one lot going, which would have trailed out pretty. I mean, it broke, you know, it got messy. Alright, so that's it, and today was kind of short, so I think I'm go ahead and review a little with y'all. Let's just go over the daily biases real quick. Alright, so the daily on this chart. Okay, besides the moving averages, let's just see what the direction is. This was going up. This was a clean uptrend. Now I would say this is a really sloppy downtrend. But it is pretty trapped. You got the 200 right here, 20 overhead. Yeah, pretty trapped. AMD, I mean, that shit's clearly going down, but the 200 had a Nice bounce off of it last week, and not sure what it'll do right now. Maybe you get a break above, price comes up, comes back and retests and starts a new trend. Never know. Just gotta see what it offers us. Then we'll know. Damn, ball was pretty fucking choppy. But from here to here, kind of going down. But to be honest, man, this is not the cleanest trend, but this is pretty clean right here. But I mean, pretty messy. I see your head and shoulders in that low key right there. So price might keep dropping. I mean, it's in pretty favorable position for shorts. Declining 20 below flat 200. I don't know. Price is kind of ugly though. CVX. It looked like a pretty wide base down here, but here as well, but it gapped up. Price is now in favorable position for longs for CVX. You know, they're rising 20 above the flat 200. But don't know if this 20 will hold. We'll see. Disney overall dropping. Let's see how it treats this 20. JPM. Overall, it's dropping. Kind of struggling to make the new low now. This was pretty clean, but it's getting pretty wide and whippy now. 20 is low key going flat. And the 200's right here, so it's, yeah, seems a bit not as clean on the daily. Okay, Mark, yeah, this one's pretty damn obvious. Well, this one was messy, but look at this. The past couple of days, yeah, I've been noticing Merck has just been dropping. This one's nice. Gap down, came up, boom, retested. That's pretty nice. So yesterday, this low-key has extension from the 20 though. So to be honest, I could expect a pullback before it goes. This already went how much? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bars down, yeah. And this one happened to be a tail bar. Just space away from the 20 and 200. I could expect a pullback, but really, I want the pullback to be pretty shallow so that, you know, we can milk this short, the downtrend in the next couple of days. But this might pull back to the 8 or 20. We'll see. S-Bucks. Got a downtrend going on. 20 seems to be respected. It's a bit messy, but it's a zone. Remember, it's a zone. Square. Oh shit, this is clearing. This is about to clear. So price was here. Off the 20, boom, gap down, jump, cleared, based again here. And it seems to be basing here. The 8 has caught up. Yesterday's bar was almost clearing. So let's see what happens today. Maybe a nice drop. This is one of the best trends on the daily here. Yeah, it's pretty clean from the start. Boom. You got a fat 180 up there. That shit was nice. You know, broke below, boom. Could expect downside follow through for the next couple days or weeks or whatever. Boom. Kind of based out right here. Didn't get quite to the 20, but got there. And all I did was drop. Still dropping. Alright, let's drop a time frame. Let's check out the 1 hour. Wow. See what's good with this. I mean, yeah, that's a pretty clear downtrend. Seems to be respecting the 20. Let's see if I see anything intriguing. S-Books. Loki had a base here. Will I be able to clear down? Merc, man. Merc on the pullback. JPM. JPM 1 hour looks nice. A lot of bearish momentum here. We don't know which MA it's respecting yet. We got support right here, right here, right here. Wonder if this 8 MA is going to be the one to be respected, or if this 20 is going to catch up and price will retrace deeper. Disney here. Oh shit, this is pretty nice. Got a Disney 1 hour A trend going up. Parallel MAs. Things of beauty. See if today continues or what. CVX. It is. Could clear below this, but it's right into this 200. Yeah, I don't even know what this is, bro. This is definitely not trending. Apple. That's a nice, okay, that is smoothly declining to 20. But the issue here is this guy right here. Alright, the other day I tried to do it. I'm pretty sure we took a long right into it and it failed. That's exactly what happened. But this time, I mean, that was kind of like the highest point, the most extended it was. This time it's originating right off the 20. And yesterday it just cleared right here. Price is looking open a bit lower, so I mean quite lower actually. So we'll see what happens there. And then Apple. Oh, that was AMD. Apple is pretty nice. Was trading below the 20, got above the 20. By the end of yesterday, it cleared here, which looks good to continue going up. But from the gap down, we're seeing it's opening about $1.55 lower, which is, I don't know if we could see continuation from there. Maybe if it's still bullish. See a power bar right here. Power bar, boom. Right into resistance. You get a quick bounce off. I could look for my entries about halfway into the bar. Right there with the stop at the bottom. Right. So bounce off resistance. Boom. And then boom. Look for it to break above. Get my 3 bars. Take the majority out, leave one in. Reposition myself, let it pull back. By that time the 20 is trading above the 200. Boom. Get a color change right at the rising 20. Boom. Add back on right there. Event stop. And then you're waiting for the new high. Boom. Boom. Let's see that plays out. If it does, shit, I'm getting it, like I'm getting it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank you guys.